Example number 3 is a bird bath and a bird flying from the bird bath 3 feet above the ground. What are two equations that represent how the bird flies? Well, let's say the bird goes in an x position 5t and a y position with respect to time of 8t plus 3. What is going to be the position of the bird at t equals 3? So I want to know how far is the bird away horizontally at t equals 3 and how far away is the bird vertically at t equals 3 from this bird bath. So first, x of t is equal to 5t. We'll find the horizontal piece. And we want to know when t is equal to 3. So x of 3 is 5 times 3, which means x of 3 will be 15. So this is going to be 15 feet horizontally. And then let's find the position vertically. So y of t is 8t plus 3. Y of 3 is going to be 8 times 3 plus 3. So y of 3 is going to be 27. So 27 feet vertically. Now with this, let's see how we would plug these equations into my graphing calculator. So first we'll turn on our calculator, and we got to change mode once again. We've worked with functional and polar. Now we're going to go to the second one, which is parametric. And then we'll go to y equals. And you're going to see now that with the parametric, there's two pieces. There is an x sub 1t and a y sub 1t. So those two combined make up the first equation. You can see that there's only one line there indicating both of those are tied together. Down here, x sub 2 of t and y sub 2 of t are my second, x sub 3 of t, y sub 3 of t is my third. So I've got to use two equations here for parametric. So the first one would be 5t, and the t is automatically filled in when you hit the xt theta n button. And the other one was 27t. And if I hit graph, I should probably zoom out a little bit. I can see that straight line is what's going to represent the bird's flight. Now let me go back a little bit to example 2. We did this on the previous page. Let's say I wanted to graph this guy on the calculator. I'm saying x is equal to t squared, y equals t minus 2. So here we'll plug in x is equal to t squared. The second one is t minus 2. And if I hit graph, I can see right there, there's half of the parabola. The calculator, by default, is set up to only deal with from t greater than or equal to 0, which is why we only see the positive part of the parabola there, which is this top part that we've already talked about. That usually we only want to work with the positive t values. Let's look then at the very first one we had, this example 1 of a parabola. I could have plugged in right there 24 square root of 2t. Got to make sure that t is outside my square root. And then the second one was negative 16 t squared plus 24 square root of 2t. And this one I'm probably going to need to zoom out a little bit. And I can begin to see there's my parabolic shape that the football would have taken. So to graph parametric equations, you go to mode, and the second mode is parametric, and you need to enter both the x equation and the y equation.